Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Brothers and sisters in Islam, we are at the doors of the last 10 nights of Ramadan that carry the greatest night of the year, which is Laylatul Qadr. Allahu Akbar. Pay attention. Al-Ulama, the scholars of Islam, may Allah have mercy upon them, they said, the one who takes advantage of the last 10 nights and had wasted the first 20 is much better than the one who took advantage of the first 20 nights of Ramadan and wasted the last 10 nights of Ramadan. Allahu Akbar. We ask Allah Azza wa Jal to allow us to make the most of these last 10 nights. Brothers and sisters in Islam, Ibn Jawzi rahimahullah, he said, when the horses are racing each other, at the beginning they start with energy, and in the last few meters of the race, they exert the most and maximum energy and strength they have in their body. They give it all they have so that they can win the race. And that's how we have to be right towards the end of Ramadan. We need to give it everything we have. And there is every reason for why we should put every bit of energy and strength in us towards the worship of Allah Azza wa Jal. And that is because Laylatul Qadr is going to be found in one of these 10 nights. Allahu Akbar. Laylatul Qadr khayrun min alfi shahr. The Laylatul Qadr, whoever earns its reward in his account of good deeds, Allah Azza wa Jal would record for him more than a lifetime of worship. How beautiful is that? You know, when we stand on the Day of Judgment and we're looking at our scale of good deeds, from the most heaviest and obvious deeds we're going to see are the hours we spent worshipping Allah during these last 10 nights, seeking Laylatul Qadr. And the very best thing to do on these or during these last 10 nights, and Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam already gave us the plan, already told us what to do. He said, "Man qama Laylatul Qadr imanan wa ihtisaban ghufira lahu ma taqaddama min dhanbi." Anyone who stands in worship during Laylatul Qadr out of faith and seeking the reward from Allah, Allah will forgive him for all his sins. Allahu Akbar. So the best thing to do during Laylatul Qadr is to stand in worship, in salat, because salat has Quran in it, has the dhikr of Allah Azza wa Jal in it, and it also has a dua. That's the best thing to do. So prolong your prayers, read as much Quran as you can, prolong your ruku' and sujood, and standing after a ruku', and do dhikr of Allah as much as you can, and prolong your sujood, and make dua to Allah as much as you can, and pay attention to the dua of Allahumma innaka afu, tuhibbul afu, fa'fu anna. That's the best thing in how you're going to spend these last 10 nights.